Hello and welcome to the course on machine learning. This is Kirill Eremenko, and I'd like to say that Hadlin and I are super excited to have you inside this class. And you're probably wondering, why is there a timer on your screen? Well, the reason is that we are so excited to have you on board that we want to get you excited and pumped about learning machine learning and applying what you learn in your day-to-day life. And that's why we're going to show you 10 examples of how machine learning is used in the real world, so you can get super excited that you're learning these things at the moment in this class. So we've got 2 minutes, 20 seconds left. It's a huge challenge. I'm going to throw all of these examples at you very quickly to get you very excited. So let's get started. All right. Machine learning applications. Number one, Facebook facial recognition. Everybody knows this. When you upload a photo, Facebook somehow knows already who your friends are and tags them automatically. Still have 8 seconds left. Wonderful. So hopefully that got you excited. That's just 10 examples of machine learning and how it's used in the real life. And in this course, we'll look at many different machine learning algorithms, those that are used in these examples and those that are used in other examples. So hopefully you're going to enjoy this class and find your own ways to apply machine learning in the real world. And we can't wait to see you on the next tutorial. Until then, enjoy machine learning.